Let's talk about a product that can completely transform your laundry space and make your daily routine a whole lot easier: the heavy-duty laundry pedestal with storage drawer. If you own a washer, dryer, or even a mini fridge, this pedestal stand is one of the simplest upgrades you can make, but the difference it creates is huge. First, let's talk about height and comfort. This pedestal lifts your appliance by 16 inches, which means no more bending, no more back strain, and no more awkward lifting when you're loading or unloading laundry. You finally get your machines to a comfortable working height, something you'll appreciate every single day. But the pedestal doesn't stop there. It also includes a large built-in storage drawer. This is perfect for keeping your laundry essentials organized: detergents, fabric softeners, cleaning supplies, dryer sheets, or even extra towels. Instead of having everything scattered around the laundry room, you now have a clean, hidden, and easy-to-reach storage space right under your washer or dryer. Now let's talk about strength and durability, because that's one of the biggest highlights. This stand is engineered to support up to 440 pounds, which means it works with most full-size washers, dryers, compact appliances, and small fridges. Whether you have a heavy front-load washer or a compact dryer, this pedestal handles it effortlessly. The construction is heavy-duty iron, and the surface is powder-coated black, making it resistant to rust, scratches, and long-term wear. It's built not just for strength, but for stability, and that brings us to one of the most important features: vibration and noise reduction. We all know how loud washing machines can get, especially during the spin cycle. This pedestal is designed with vibration-absorbing feet, helping to significantly reduce shaking and noise. So if your machines usually rattle, move, or shake your entire floor, this pedestal helps calm everything down. This is especially useful for apartments, upstairs laundry rooms, or shared living spaces. Versatile fit. One of the best things about this pedestal is that it's not limited to just washers and dryers. You can use it for mini fridges, small freezers, beverage coolers, compact appliances. Basically anything that needs elevation, stability, or better storage underneath. The sleek black design blends well with modern laundry rooms and appliances, giving your space a clean, upgraded look. And because the base is adjustable, it works with a wide range of machine sizes. Final thoughts. This heavy-duty laundry pedestal with storage drawer isn't just an accessory, it's a major upgrade to your home setup. You get heavy checkmark better working height, heavy checkmark organized storage, heavy checkmark improved stability, heavy checkmark less noise and vibration, heavy checkmark strong 440 pounds capacity, a durable powder-coated finish, compatibility with washers, dryers, and mini fridges. If you want to make your laundry routine easier, cleaner, and more organized, this pedestal stand is absolutely worth it. Small change, big improvement.